Standard 2 Subject English Grammar Topic Pronouns. Pronouns. Boys, as we have already learned about nouns, you remember, right? Nouns are name, place, animal, or things. But today we are going to learn more about nouns, that is, pronouns. Are you ready? Let's get started. Pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. Let us understand with the help of examples. Mr. Amit is a doctor. Mr. Amit works in a hospital. Mr. Amit treats sick people. Here we are talking about a man named Mr. Amit who is a doctor. And if you see the sentences, we are repeating his name in every sentence. But if we replace his name with some other word but still talk about him, that becomes a pronoun. So the words we replaced is Mr. Amit is a doctor. He works in a hospital. He treats sick people. So instead of saying Mr. Amit in every sentence, we have replaced Mr. Amit's word into he. Why we have used he is because he is a man. And for a man or for a boy, we use he. So he is a pronoun. I hope, boys, you have understood this. Let's move ahead. Some of the more pronouns are I, me, we, us, you, he, is, him, she, her, they, and them. These are some of the pronouns also that we can use in the sentences that will be given later on. So I hope you remember these pronouns, and let's move on. These pronouns replace the names of people, like we did in the earlier example of Mr. Amit. So these are some of the words of pronouns that we replace instead of the name of the noun or of the people. Let's move ahead and learn more. He, his, him are used for males, like man, boy. Okay, they are males. She and her are females. Females like the ladies, the girls, the women. So for them we use she or her when you're talking about a particular lady or a woman or a girl. So he, his, him we use for males. She and her we use for females. I, me, you, we, us, they, them is used both for males and females. So whenever you are talking about he, him, his is male. She and her is female. But I, me, you, we, us, they, and them is used for males and females. It is used for things like animals, trees, and non-living things. So any animal, you call it it. Trees or anything that is non-living thing, like we have studied in the nouns, name, place, animal, and things. So for that we call it it. Okay, boys, so please remember. Singular and plural pronouns. Let us learn more about it. Like we have already studied about the singular and plural. Singular means one. Singular means only one thing or one object. Here we have only one tree. So that is singular. Plural. Plural means many, two or more. Here we have three trees. We had one tree earlier. Now we have three trees. So many, plural. I, he, his, him, she, her, it is always used in a singular pronoun. That is, you talk or you tell about a noun which is only one single person or an animal. Okay, boys? So remember, I, he, his, him, she, her, and it. Whereas we, us, they, and them is used in the plural pronouns because we are talking about many people or many nouns together. So we, us, they, and them is used in the plural pronoun. So I hope you remember these, boys, the singular pronouns and the plural pronouns. You is used for singular and plural, both. Okay, you is used for singular and plural pronoun. For example, in a classroom, teacher makes one boy stand and then she asks questions. But she tells only that one boy to answer. So what does she say? Yes, you are right. You remember what teacher says, right? You give me the answer. Yes, because teacher wants that one particular boy to give her the answer. So he is singular. So you give me the answer. She is talking to one single boy to give her the answer. Okay? In the next class, teacher is talking to the full class. So she is asking question to the whole class and she wants everyone to answer. So instead of taking names of every students, she says you. Okay? So she says, do you remember what we learnt in our last class? So she is not taking names of every child, but she is referring to you. Here, you is in the plural form, the plural pronoun. So remember, you is used for singular and plural, both for pronouns. Okay, boys? So, boys, I hope you have understood the topic for today. Let us now listen to a song on it.
I am me, you are you and I are we, you and I become we. He is a boy, she is a girl, he and she are they, he and she becomes they. I, we, you and they, he, she, you and it, I, we, you and they, he, she and it are pronouns. I am me, you are you and I are we, you and I become we. He is a boy, she is a girl, he and she are they, he and she becomes they. I, we, you and they, he, she, you and it, I, we, you and they, he, she and it are pronouns.
Thank you for watching.